Here's one way to connect your Android cell phone to your computer to transfer photos. So first you get your Android phone, and you have a choice of two connection cables, the USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A. Either one will work. Plug one into the computer and the other one into the bottom of your phone with the USB-C. A prompt may or may not show up that asks you what you would like to do, and you want to choose transfer photos unless you're trying to transfer files or play music. Next, you want to choose the File Explorer on the bottom left of your computer. What opens up may default on something like desktop. That's not what you want. You want to scroll down to this PC, choose it, then you look for your cell phone, and you want to left double click on that to open it up. What you'll see is internal storage, click on that, then you want to choose DCIM. Then you want to choose either camera, Facebook, or screenshots. In our case, we'll double click on the camera and open up a photo. You can close it, hit the back button to go to the previous folders. In our case, will be the screenshots. If you want to double click on one to view any of the screenshots, or if you want to save them onto your desktop, you can hold the Alt button and left drag the photo or screenshot to your desktop, let go, and it's there. If you want to save a series of photos, click on the first one, hold the Shift button, click on the last one, you'll see that they all highlight. Then, with the left mouse button, drag them all to your desktop, and they all show up there. That's all there is to it. Over and out for this tutorial.